Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
You're going to want to start with some mushrooms. I used white. You can use Bella or white, it doesn't matter. Now you're going to want to chop them up into small pieces. You're going to be creating a mushroom gravy. Next you're going to want to cut up about half an onion. You can use white or red. I used red because that's all that I had. Again, dice these into small pieces because we're going to be frying them up. Now go ahead and throw the diced onions into the frying pan and turn it on medium heat. I threw some salt and pepper on them, and I just threw some celery salt too, just to give it some more flavor. Now go ahead and toss your mushrooms in after your onions have been cooking for a minute or two. Now we're going to cook this until the onions are translucent and the mushrooms are cooked more. And then I added some more pepper and I added some onion and garlic powder. Now add your meat substitute. I'm using the Beyond Beef crumbles. You can use whatever you like. Let's go ahead and completely cook the meat up because next we're going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch or whatever thickening agent you have. I had arrowroot powder, so that's what I used. And stir this around the meat really good and just coat it well, and then add about 3/4 cup of milk. I used unsweetened almond milk. You want to let this cook up into a thick gravy-like consistency, and then you can add more spices and things to your liking. I really like to add the original salt-free Mrs. Dash when I have it too, the yellow capped one. Next, add a can of mixed veggies. I like to make sure and get the ones that have no salt added. I'll go ahead and mix this up until everything is completely mixed up and evenly distributed. And now you're going to get your baking dish and add everything into the baking dish. Now get your tater tots and completely cover the top with tater tots. I ran out at the end, so it looks a little bit scarce at the end, but it's okay. Now you want to pop this in your oven at 375, and I put it on for 30 minutes. After it's been cooking for the 30 minutes, I take it out and put cheese on it, so you can go ahead and put cheese on it if you like, and pop it in for another 5 minutes or so until the cheese is melted. There you have it, a super easy vegan tater-tot hot dish. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe. Thank you.
Flowers today.